Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the market's condition in our Cart Lock app. Now open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Markets option. Now under the Condition section, select the option Block if found, and in the blank box, select the markets which you want to block. For example, I selected Bangladesh. Almost done. Now, give your rule a name. This name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers will see this when the rule is triggered, so make it simple and clear. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's go to the checkout page, select Address Bangladesh and take a look. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because we selected the address Bangladesh, which we want to block and set it in our condition. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!